Hello, my name is Avery Moore. I am currently an English 1 and English 2 teacher in Spring Branch ISD, and today I am going to be giving a presentation over technology in the 21st century. I first wanted to begin with this number, 38 billion. Just let that sink in for a moment. 38 billion people use the internet today. I thought this was a very fitting statistic because since we're talking about technology, we definitely need the internet for that. But I was shocked whenever I read that 38 billion people use the internet today. I'm going to answer this first question. How can instructional technologies be used to promote 21st century learning and teaching? I want to first start off with some statistics. So 73% of teachers say that technology helps respond to different learning styles. 69% of teachers say that technology has helped more than ever in the classroom. And 74% of teachers say that technology is key to helping expand the classroom. I chose to include these statistics because they're over 50, even 60%, a lot of these, and so it just kind of backs up the fact that technology is important and we are moving towards that in the classroom. Technology also lends itself to personalized and meaningful learning. What that means is that we are able to use technology in order to target intervention and be able to remediate for those kids sitting in our classroom who need the extra push. Use they should be in pre-AP and they aren't. So we can really use technology to help those two things. And we can also use technology to help differentiate instruction. I know with our LMS system, It's Learning, we are able to input pathways into It's Learning in order to differentiate instruction for our struggling students as well as our high flyers. Technology also helps us with the 4 C's. Technology helps students communicate, they can collaborate. Technology helps them with their creativity, and it also helps them think critically. Question number 2. What instructional technologies can be used to promote 21st century learning and teaching? So I'm going to talk about the what. So I use Socrative in my classroom. I included a video right here for you to watch, but Socrative is a great tool that I use for quick bell ringers, warm-ups, to pull students in class and get data pretty quickly. I pulled some teachers on my campus, and these were the numbers that said how they use Socrative in the classroom. I also use Mastery Connect. I included a video right here for Mastery Connect. But Mastery Connect is a great formative and summative assessment tool. It offers immediate feedback, and it's color-coded, which I really like. I also pulled teachers on my campus from teachers that don't use Mastery Connect to teachers that are willing to try, kind of how we're doing as a campus with Mastery Connect. And then lastly, I provided my references for my videos, statistics, and images. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on technology in the 21st century. Have a great day. Bye-bye.